Hey everyone, it's Kim. I'm going to show you today a suite on the level at the Melia Varadero. It's room 5510. It has a bath and a half, and you're going to be really impressed when you see the view. So it's got a little table seating area here, a little living room here if you're with friends. You can definitely enjoy some drinks in here, some water. I believe that's an espresso machine. Maybe it's a Keurig. I don't drink coffee. There's a little mini bar with a couple beers, a Pepsi, a lemon Sprite type drink. Yeah, and then you got a big TV in here, quite a bit of seating, a little docking station. And then I believe you can get out to the balcony from here as well. Amazing views. A little cloudy today, still gorgeous. And then you come into the main room here. And this is where the magic is with the view. Corner view of the beautiful ocean. We have a king-size bed. Flat screen TV. Then over here you kind of have a dressing room with a mirror, ironing board. You've got your safe and beach towels. And then there is a robe and some slippers. And then you go over here into the secondary bathroom. You've got a sink with some amenities. And then a beautiful walk-in shower with an interesting shower head. I'll have to try that later. And then this is why you come to Cuba. The amazing beaches and the ocean on this gorgeous terrace. A little windy this afternoon. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. So you only get these corner terrace balconies when you're in a suite.